Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to the square root of 7/8 tan t, because if I put this one going here, you will have about 7/8 tan t square. Number 8 we can solve. Number 7 we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. We do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about dx equals to the square root of number 7/8 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. dx we change by this one. This one we have 7/8 tan t square. Number 8 we cancel, and you got about 7 tan t square. Number 7 we can do about factorization. And we know that 1 plus tan t square, we have secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square, we have secant of t. Now we need to simplify the square root of number 7 secant of t on numerator and denominator. And now the integration of secant of t, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of 7/8. And we have tan t. Now we can find the value of t. That is about t equals to tan of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. We know that tan with tan, you got about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.